a result of all of your hard work, and this outstanding performance in 2021 is of course cascading as well through the hard work and of course the teamwork that you have contributed. This is also a very good way to celebrate our 150 years. So this year in 2022, we are celebrating our 150 years. All of us plays an important role, and we should all be proud because the work that we do contributes to quality and safety, and also supports our clients, our customers, that they become successful as well. All of you plays an important and very critical role in ensuring quality and safety, and we should all be proud because we make this world a better place to live.
Simple lang, pero nakita ko sa maraming panahon na mas madaling sumunod sa iyo ang mga tao kung alam nilang may malasakit ka sa kanila.
Ano naman na tayo pag doon? Tapos team 5, tapos na. Okay? Sige! Go! Left and right!
Humanap ka ng paraan para ma-promote yung sarili mo, ma-promote yung coworker mo, at ma-promote yung boss mo. The best way to get your boss promoted to the next position is for you to be ready for that position.
I realize, natutuwa ko na kung prioritization yun, dapat yung sundin mo yung mirror pa rin.
Feel that they are valued by the company because they contributed so much to the company, and in return the company should take care of them because they are talents, and every loss of talent in the company is a loss in the company. We appreciate them, we promote them, and of course we celebrate.